Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Sadia. I figure since we locked in the house, let's do a quick brow tutorial. Brush up on our makeup skills while we're in the house. First things first, comb those brows. The first product I'm using right now is Jordana. You can find that at Walgreens. It's just a cute little brow pencil and the color brunette. Right now, I'm following my natural brow line and diffusing the color up with the spoolie that's attached to this pencil. Again, making sure your brows are combed up and repeating this process on the same side, following where your natural brow line is and just enhancing that color. Me personally, I love a tapered brow. So I like the beginning of my brow to look as natural as possible and making the color darker toward the mid part of my brow and going to the tail. Again, combing down those brows to make sure any gaps that I have, that I feel them. Now, don't y'all judge me. We all on this quarantine, and y'all already know all the brow places, makeup places like me, lash places, we all closed down. So I really like to get my brows threaded, but in this state of emergency, I have to deal. This next product that I'm using is Anastasia's Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I'm focusing a lot of that color on the end of my brow. Again, I love a tapered brow. Using what's left on that brush to diffuse it at the front of my brow. Here, I'm using a clean spoolie so I can just diffuse that color and making sure that my brows are in place. I should have probably used some brow gel just to make sure my brows don't move. Maybe that's something we can do next time. I have to do these voiceovers because my boys, you know, everybody's quarantined. I can't make them be quiet. Well, I can, but, you know, we all living in this space, so I kind of want to give them freedom to move. So I just thought the voiceover would be better. Right now, I'm just cleaning up around my brow with the makeup wipe. Now, I know some people, they buy the brow powder, but for me, I like to just simply go to an eyeshadow palette and pull out a deep dark brown or whatever color that I'm using and just apply that toward the end of my brow. Adding brow powder also helps with the longevity of the makeup, as well as if you have a pencil and it has shine, that the powder or the eyeshadow that will help mattify that. Right here with the baby wipe, I am just kind of softening up that color at the base of my brow, because I want this to look as natural as possible. I want it to be a gradual fade. I want a gradual tapering. So the product that I'm using now is foundation. That's actually Cole Cosmetics, which is my brand. And I'm putting that under my eyes, the foundation stick in the color Golden Beige. And I'm just using that to hide the fact that I did not have time, y'all. I did not have time to get my brows threaded. I may come on and later show you all a trick on how to hide those stubborn hairs for when you're in between those brow wax and threading appointments. I got a little trick. I know a little something. So right now I'm just kind of fading that color in. And here is the finished look. Diamonds, I hope this video helped you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. All right, diamonds.